Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Hamster Kombat coins because we have already a listing update. So make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into, and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to open up your Hamster Kombat. After that you will log in right there, and to withdraw your funds you will go to airdrop. And as you can see, on September 26th, this is the listing date. And once you scroll down, you will see withdrawal options. So as you can see, there is OKX early birds and Bybit early birds. So you can join them and withdraw earlier than, for example, connecting your Ton wallet. So there's a few options how you can do this. So I would suggest maybe to join Bybit. And as you can see, you can just register. And you will be redirected to the page where you will need to log into your Bybit. You can also use OKX if you want to, or if you want to just connect your Ton wallet, you're gonna click here, click connect your Ton wallet. You will have all of these options like Ton Keeper, and if you would view all, you have an option of Telegram, as you can see. So you can choose the best option which fits you the best, and connect your wallets, and after that you will be able to withdraw it. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.